This world, it's about to recognize the presence of the church. Why am I saying this? When do you see the stars? When do you see? You don't see the stars when the sun is shining. If you want to see the stars, wait for the sunset. If you want to see the stars, wait for darkness to come. When darkness comes, the stars will shine. Let me tell you something. Even 12 o'clock in the midday, the stars are still there. But if you want to see the stars, wait for darkness to come. If you want to see us, wait and see troubles to come. If you want to know us, wait until we have scars. When we have scars, then we become stars. When we are wounded, then we become dangerous. When we have nothing, then we become something. Lift up your eyes. That's why we are dangerous when we are in danger. When we are in danger, we are too dangerous for the devil. Because when I'm in danger, I run to God. When I am in trouble, I run to God. I don't run to the devil, but I run to God. When I feel weak, then I am strong. That's why Paul says, when I am weak, then I am strong. Because my weakness is the driving force to my God. Lift up your eyes and see beyond what people are seeing. When the economical crisis are rising all over the world, we are not crying, because Christ is greater than crisis. Christ is greater than crisis. Crisis. It is when you are in crisis, then you will begin to see Christ better. Because I've heard you, pastor. I've heard you, evangelist. When you say manity, because he was wounded. He's not afraid of the wounds. Because he was wounded. He's not afraid of death. Because he dies. He's not afraid to be bruised. Because he was bruised for our iniquity. Because he was wounded. He understands the wounds. He understands the tears. He understands the troubles. He understands the situations. Because he was.